Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're talking about something exciting and revolutionary. We're talking about a project called Eventflo with their native token Flowcoin or Floco on the base chain. Now, just to give you guys a preview of how strong this project is, they had their IDO on 12th March and it was sold out on all the platforms. And now it is launched on decentralized exchange Uniswap. And just prior to the decentralized exchange listing, Flowcoin was used for the first time in front of 50,000 live viewers and 10,000 people in Reminisce event. People used Flowcoin to get margaritas in the Flow bar during the Reminisce event. So right in the start, you can tell that we are not talking about an ordinary project. To put it simply, this is the world's first AI and blockchain powered event growth platform. Live event industry is estimated to be valued at about $1.5 trillion. And Eventflo is integrated into this industry to solve the problems that make it frustrating for both event organizers and attendees. If you've ever tried to buy a ticket for a big event, you know how bad it can get. We have high fees, ticket fraud, and scalpers buying up tickets just to resell them at crazy prices. It's a complete mess. And for event organizers, things aren't easier. Marketing is a guessing game, audience engagement is tough, predicting sales accurately is nearly impossible. So the industry requires a solution, and Eventflo is offering it using their AI agent Eva. And the crazy part here is that this is not one of those situations where a project is developed, a token is integrated, and then everyone hopes for adoption, which may or may not actually happen. But in this case of Eventflo and the Flowcoin, the adoption is already there. They're not starting from scratch. They have access to a global network of 1 million plus event attendees and partnerships with some of the biggest event organizers worldwide. So Eventflo is launching with mass adoption already built in, which is something we almost never get. From what I'm hearing, events are already lined up to use the platform, and as they do that, Flowcoin will be used in one way or another, which is going to make it a strong proof of real world crypto adoption. Now we are going to go ahead into details about the project, the token utilities, its functions, and so on. But with a disclaimer that anything that I say in this video is not going to be an investment or a financial advice. So make sure that you do your own investigation and research. Now, let's start with the most important question. What exactly does Eventflo do and why does it matter? At its core, Eventflo is built to fix the biggest problems in live events industry. And it does this by using two powerful technologies. We have blockchain and artificial intelligence. Blockchain makes transactions transparent and secure, while artificial intelligence optimizes event management in ways that traditional platforms simply can't. Take ticketing, for example. Right now, if you want to buy a ticket for a major event, you have to go through a middleman, whether it's a ticketing website or a reseller who charges you extra fees, sometimes up to 30% more than the actual ticket price. And even after paying that, you're still at risk of getting scammed with fake tickets or ridiculous resale markups from scalpers. Eventflo eliminates all of this. Since it's built on blockchain, every ticket purchase is recorded on a transparent, tamper-proof ledger, which means no fakes, no double sales, and no hidden fees. Plus, event organizers have full control over resale policies, so they can prevent scalpers from exploiting the system. Now, that's just one part of what Eventflo does. The other game changer here is Eva, the AI-powered event growth assistant. Eva is trained on over $100 million in ticketing data, and it is designed to help event organizers make smarter decisions. Instead of relying on outdated marketing tactics, organizers who use Eva can target the right audience, predict ticket demand, and even automate customer interactions. This means better attendance, high revenue, and a way more streamlined experience for both organizers and attendees. And let's not forget about the Flow coin, which is the backbone of Eventflo ecosystem. Unlike other tokens that are created first and then struggle to find real-world use cases, Flowcoin has actual utility from day one. It's already being used for event transactions, including at major live events like Reminisce, where thousands of people used it for purchases. And Flowcoin isn't just a payment token, it plays a much bigger role. A portion of the platform's revenue is used for regular buybacks and token burns, which reduces the supply and increases the scarcity over time. This means that as Eventflo grows, so does the demand for Flowcoin. And since revenue is locked in through multiple streams, including ticketing fees, a software as a service subscription model for event organizers, and on-chain event insurance, there's a solid business model that is supporting its value. So let's think about what this means in the bigger picture. We're talking about an industry that's worth $1.5 trillion with millions of people attending live events every year. If Eventflo captures even a fraction of that market, it's going to be huge. And the fact that they already have adoption lined up from major event organizers makes it even more exciting. One thing is clear, Eventflo isn't just another crypto project that is hoping for adoption. It's a platform that's already solving real-world problems with real-world users, and a token that has built-in demand. Flowcoin is, like I said before, it is the backbone of Eventflo ecosystem. It is designed for real-world utility and long-term sustainability. The token operates on the base chain and has a structured economy that includes transaction-based utility, platform fees, and a deflationary mechanism through buybacks and burns. Event organizers use Flowco for marketing, for ticket sales, and event operations, while attendees benefit from discounts, rewards, and seamless event payments. To purchase Flowco, you can trade it on Uniswap, where it's currently available following its successful IDO, as I mentioned in the start. What you have to do is simply connect your wallet. You can connect your MetaMask wallet, and then you can swap USDC for Flowco, and you're ready to engage in the Eventflo ecosystem. So now that we have a solid understanding of what Eventflo is and how it's solving major industry problems, let's dive into some real innovations that make this platform stand out. First, we have Eva, the AI-powered event growth assistant. Now, we already touched on this, but let's get into details. Eva isn't just an AI bot, it's a fully fledged assistant trained on over $100 million in ticketing data. It automates marketing, predicts ticket sales, and even helps with customer engagement. So instead of event organizers throwing money into random ads and hoping for the best, Eva helps them target the right audience with precision. That means higher attendance, better sales, and lower marketing costs. Then we have blockchain-based NFT tickets to eliminate fraud. So no more fake tickets or double sales or scalpers driving up prices. Every ticket is verifiable. It ensures fair access for fans and secure revenue for the organizers. And Eventflo also offers an AI-powered marketing suite, handling audience targeting, ticket optimization, and engagement all in one place. So no more juggling multiple platforms. Everything is streamlined for better results. And one of the most unique feature is tokenized real world assets. So we have high value event equipment like stages and lighting that can be turned into NFTs, which allows investors to own a share and earn passive income when rented out for events. Another game changer is on-chain ticket insurance, which lets attendees buy refundable tickets, which is secured by smart contracts. No paperwork, no hassle, just automatic refunds for valid claims, which boost early ticket sales and buyer confidence. At events, Flowcoin powers seamless transactions. It allows attendees to pay for food, drinks, and merch with zero gas fees. Plus, they get exclusive discounts and rewards for using the token. And speaking of rewards, Eventflo introduces gamified incentives where attendees and organizers earn Flowcoin for referrals, participation, and event success, which drives engagement and adoption. And finally, there's community governance, where Flowcoin holders can vote on key decisions, which shapes the platform's future in a decentralized way. You put it all together and you get a platform that's not just fixing problems, it's completely redefining the industry. Whether you're an event goer, organizer, or investor, I think Eventflo offers real value. So I highly suggest keeping this project and token in your radar. Do follow them on Twitter and join their social media channels, which will be linked in the description. And let me know what you guys think about this project in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.